We are running our country, not a tucker box. This is like no boy market. There is more integrity at the boy market than there is on this floor because we lie all the time. Same blow me blah. Side blow cabinet. One black minister or prime minister should not be able to go in there and hijack everyone, sack his treasurer so he can sign the documents himself. One and penalty blow desla. You like signing more agreement lo help people poro blow you na. You sack the treasurer. There are so many things wrong with it, yet you may karamapin go through na bilasim na. Put in lipstick langan na you may talk it looks nice. Very pretty. Yes, it is a very pretty scam. Very elaborately constructed, but it is a scam nevertheless, Mr. Speaker. And this House has a responsibility to the people of